Hello golden souls. Welcome to Number Gold. Today we're going to talk about angel number 955. The number 955 is made up of the vibrations of the numbers 9 and 5, which are amplified by the presence of the number 5. As the number 9 stands for the universal spiritual laws, a higher perspective, living as an example for others, kindness and charity, and light work. It is also the number of the universal spiritual laws. The number 9 is also a sign of completion and closure. The number 5 represents the fullness of your humanity and the human experience. It resonates with ideas like personal freedom, making wise decisions and big changes in your life, variety and adaptability, and learning from your experiences to become more flexible and resourceful. The angel number 955 shows that if you listen to your intuition and do what the angels tell you to do, your spiritual and soul mission will be in line. Based on what you've been told, do what you think is right. Follow your lead to show others how to live and make things from a place of love and light. The angel number 955 says that you have the power to help make your own life experiences and path. You have the power to change your own life and the lives of others. You can live a life that is in tune with your spirit by actively making good decisions and getting rid of thoughts that hold you back. Don't be afraid to keep what you like and get rid of what you don't. Make sure that you only take in what you can handle. Angels are telling you through the number 955 that you will be successful in making long-term changes in your life. Your life will be full of plenty and success because of these big changes, which will give you the confidence to keep going on your divine life path without fear. Have faith that everything will turn out well. Remember that you have the power to manifest and attract the life you want. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you for watching.